So when you receive a ticket, you have already learned from the other video how to handle it and how to configure your system. And you most probably know what is a user ID now. So when you receive a ticket, for example, it is 365, write it like this in this Excel sheet or a Google sheet that you will receive, and type the problem in one sentence in here. Please don't try to over-exaggerate it, like try to shorten it as much as you can. And then if it was solved, type yes here and give the solution, like in a few sentences. How did you solve this problem? For example, the problem was, let's say, the microphone was not working in Skype. And then what was the problem? The solution, I mean, the source of microphone was selected or given. You can explain like that. It's just for a quick understanding. Otherwise, the whole recording, the screen recording is there. We can always go back to the recording and see how you solved it, but it's just for that purpose. Okay, now the customer name. During the conversation, if you could get the name of the customer, you can write it here, like for example, John Doe. And the phone number. Phone number is important that when you take it, please take it with the country code so that we know from where they're and how can we contact them. And see if you could get their email address. Please write down this email address in here as well. So, for those of you who work on the talk.to chat, not all of you work on that chat, but only a few, they should also actually create something like this. But then instead of user ID, they should paste the ID from talk.to. Okay, and then any special notes you want to take here. For example, if you want to call this specific user back, tell them that please give me your suitable date and time in your local date and time. And then as it's recorded, the screen is recorded, so then you can later convert it because you can see the user's clock on his computer or her computer. And then you can write it here and as well at the same time schedule it somewhere in your calendar or whatever scheduler you use in your life. So you can use that kind of notes here. And the total number of minutes should come here. It's just for a purpose, it's not so important. Because you already have the video, and from the video you just see the total number of minutes and then write, for example, this was 15 minutes. So it can give us a quick clue how many minutes you worked on. Oh, indeed, I forgot a very important. Write the date. What date and time was it? So write in a full thing. Although this is also an information that time is just not so important. Just write the date. For example, if this was the 4th of April 2017, write it in that way, so that we can capture a little bit information. This solution is only for, let's say, 1 month or 2 months when we have our CRM, and then that must have its ticketing system, the issue tracking system, and then we will share another video tutorial on how to use that CRM, whether this is Zendesk or Freshdesk or CRM Suite. I don't know, that we will come up later. But for the time being, this is how you will work, and we will share a Google Sheet with you like this. Okay, that's all. Thank you.